Alright guys, I'm back today with another video, but before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you are subscribed to my channel, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you do not miss out on any of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a unit from the company Rpgshow. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the details down below for you guys, and I'm going to make sure to leave some unboxing. But in this box, they did include a wig cap, and then you also get this wig storage bag, this envelope with your order information on it. They also included this install kit, which I thought was pretty cool. This has a pair of little shears, which I will be using. And then it also has this little spoolie, some tweezers. And then they also included this razor to cut off your lace. Now me, I prefer to cut it off with scissors because I ain't, you know, my hands ain't too steady for a razor. But if you like cutting your wig off with razors, then hey, there's one in this little kit. It does come free with orders over $2.50, and I will also make sure to leave a coupon down below for you guys. You guys, this cute bob unit, you guys know I love me a good bob. You just cannot go wrong with them, and I feel like they are great for all year round. Yes, they are. Now this unit does come with your 2 combs on the side. It also comes with a comb in the back. Your adjustable strap also comes with this adjustable elastic band. Now the knots on this unit, I do feel like there are a couple of dark spots, but not enough to where I feel like I had to go in and bleach my knots. This unit also does come with a pre-plucked hairline. However, your girl did go in and pluck out some more hair in the front because I wanted it to look as natural as possible. Now, if you are not a fan of plucking out or you are scared, of course you can just wear it how it comes and you will be good to go. But if you want to take it up a notch, you can definitely pluck out some more. And also going to show you guys exactly how much I plucked out. Go ahead and put this unit on so you guys can see what it looks like before I do any extra work to it. Already comes parted on the right side. Of course, you can move the part around. Parting space on this unit is only a 13 by 4.5. So of course you get most of your parting space in the middle. Love the color on this and the texture, yes. And you get a little bit on the side, like where you can go further back. I think I'm actually going to rock this as a side part because I just did another bob and it was the middle part. So I kind of want to switch it up for you guys. So yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and leave this on the side. I'm just gonna kind of deepen the parting space. The cut on this is nice. This is only 10 inches. This is like a perfect length. I love this length, and it's one length all the way around, which works out great. And then of course the color on here is bomb. Go ahead and get to working on this unit. I think I might rock this glueless instead of spraying adhesive, but I'll see once I get into the styling situation. But make sure you guys stay tuned so you can see the final look and also hear my final thoughts. had to change it out. But all I'm doing right now, and I'm hoping that it picked it up, was adding a little bit of this olive oil wrap mousse, and I'm just putting a little bit on this edge brush, and I'm just swooping it over. I'm hoping y'all got to see me cut some baby hairs. If not, I know y'all seen that step plenty of time, but I'm doing the glueless method and I didn't want to do too much. So that's pretty much all I'm doing around the hairline. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue on with the rest of the styling. Done styling this unit, and as you guys can see, it came out really cute. This was a very simple and easy install. All I did was use some olive oil mousse like I stated, and I just did my baby hairs. That's it. I will make sure to insert a clip of me lifting this lace up and putting it back down for any of you that might be having some doubts, but I didn't do anything else. It wasn't nothing else to be done. See, you can rock this glueless. All I did was put a little bit of powder in the front just to kind of conceal it a little bit more, and then I ended up putting some powder into the parting space area just to make it look more scalp-like. And like, it was easy. Simple and easy, which I love. Now this already came with a side part, but I decided to go over a little bit more just to kind of deepen it up. Now this is only, like I said, 4.5 inches of parting space up in here. So the more you go to the side, you might run into a track. So I had to kind of go back over here a little bit, but I don't feel like I was cheated too much, because there are some companies where it's only 4 inches of parting space, but it's like super short right here to where you can't really do too much. And their tracks are very, very flat. So even if you go over a little bit more, you can just put like a little bit of hair and it's going to cover it up with no issue. I did not wash this unit. I just pulled it out the box, and then I ended up plucking around the hairline a little bit more. So running the flat iron through it, it was like a light flat iron because it pretty much already comes like this. I just needed to go over the parts that were in the box and they might have been bent up. It was mostly like in the front that I needed to tend to, but for the most part, I don't think you're gonna have any problems with this staying like this, like even if you wash this. This unit definitely puts me in the mind frame of the Katie Bloom wig that I did about 2 years ago. I can't believe it's been 2 years. But yes, about 2 years ago, and I actually still have that unit, but as it gets older, it is starting to tangle a bit, especially at the ends. So I was gonna get somebody to chop it for me because I did like the style so much. But now that they offer this, I mean, this is great. This is great. It definitely mimics that a whole lot. As far as shedding and tangling goes, I will let you guys know that I have received a good amount of shedding even before I plucked the unit and right before I even cut off the lace. I definitely was getting some hair. It's still slightly coming out, but like not enough to where I feel like the unit is going to get thin. But when I run my fingers through it, I am getting a few strands each and every time. And then as far as tangling goes, because I have worked with this texture so much, especially wearing the Katie Bloom one so much, you are going to get some snags, especially when the unit starts to get old, because this does have like a drier feel to it. So the main thing to keep it not feeling so dry and to kind of keep it looking good for a long time and to not really run into those snags as much is to make sure you condition this with a moisturizing condition, especially at those ends and in the nape area. So it is going to happen over time, but I find it happens more as the unit gets older. On my Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum, I didn't notice too much frizz with this unit, but the flyaways at the top, that's why I had to keep going in with that wax stick and getting them to lay down. There were some shorter pieces, just like right up in here, but using the wax stick, it helped out a lot. So this definitely helps to keep your units looking nice and sleek for a good amount of days before you have to go in and wash it. You don't want to put too much, just a little bit. Cut on this unit is really nice. I love the bluntness of it, and I also love the length because it's like perfect. It's hitting at the right spot. Perfect for every day. This is definitely giving grown woman office, throw on and go type of vibes without doing too much, but you're still gonna give a little bit of glam. On this unit is nice. I did notice more chunkiness on this side as I started to part further, but as you part it back the other way, even if you wanted to wear it in the middle, I feel like it's going to look good. I mean, who doesn't love a simple bob? That's really all I have to say about it. But let me know what you guys think about it. Like I said, the hairline is on point. Did a little bit of baby hairs, didn't have to do too much because too much was definitely not needed. But let me know what you guys think about this highlighted bob wig. If you are feeling it, I'm gonna make sure to leave all the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel once again, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.